In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the delicious and nutritious world of acorn squash. A type of winter squash, acorn squash is a fruit, but is treated as a vegetable in the kitchen. Native to the Americas, it was first cultivated thousands of years ago in what is now Mexico. It was one of the three sisters, a trio of crops central to early Native American agriculture. It's an excellent source of vitamin C for immunity, potassium for heart health, and fiber for digestion. It can boost antioxidants, manage blood pressure, and support healthy metabolism for everyone. However, the primary concern is its potassium content that can be problematic for certain medical conditions. Those with advanced chronic kidney disease or hyperkalemia may need to limit high potassium foods like this. A serving of 1 cup fits into a balanced diet. There is no strict limit, but moderation is key. Acorn squash is best enjoyed from fall through winter when flavor and nutrition are highest.
Like and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content. All references are listed in the video description.